Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, you're most definitely welcome. So Burnaboy has broke his silence over Miss South African saga. Okay, let me first by saying congratulations to Mia for winning Miss South Africa 2024. I think she's the first deaf person to win the pageant. So Burnaboy wrote on his Twitter account, so after all that, and he put laughing emojis, and then he went on to put Mia's picture. So what he's simply saying is saying that after all the noise, a white woman has won the pageant. Who told them that white people are not South Africans? I wonder where they get all this misinformation. So Burnaboy hasn't forgiven South Africa for not buying his tickets on his last show that he cancelled. Do you remember? I don't remember the year, but I think about before COVID or so, there was, or after COVID, I can't remember, but Burnaboy cancelled his tickets for those who had bought his tickets to go to his show. AK made him. He forget that AK was the one that we hyped. Then when we saw that he is in his one of his videos, that's when we started knowing him and accepting him. And to come to think of it, South Africa is number 5 on his fan base. Number 1 is USA with 156 million people, and number 2 UK 82 million, France 69 million, India 65 million. Then South Africa, it has 48.5 million views on his YouTube channel. I don't think he has plans to ever come to South Africa ever again to do any show, because after all this, South Africans, they don't forget. You must know that. I don't know what you guys think about this. Others are saying he's right, though. I don't know what people are saying he's right for what. For saying Mia shouldn't win or what, I don't know. Can you comment in the comment section below what you guys think about this whole saga of Mia winning and also Burnaboy supporting people that people shouldn't have done all that they did to Chidima.